Footballville, football side. But one question everybody want to know, five-star James Williams. One question everybody want to know. James Williams was once committed to the University of Miami. Then he decommitted. He became a 5-star recruit. Everybody wants him, so he decommitted. So the one question everybody wants to know from James Williams, because you ask me all the time, does the University of Miami have a chance to get James Williams? This is what James said. We got big James Williams here, man. 5-star James. I don't care what stars they give him. You're a 5-star here. You've been a 5-star ever since Bunch Park did. Listen, man, University of Miami fans want to know one thing. Does University of Miami have a chance to get James Williams?
Definitely, they do have a chance.
And why? Tell me what you like about University of Miami.
I love everything about Miami. I love the turnover chain, the coaching. I love the head coach. Only thing I don't like is the offense, but hey, we ain't gonna get it.
But that just changed the other day. The guy that I was recording. So there it is, Miami fans. Y'all wanted me to ask him. I asked him. Miami has a chance. There, big James Williams. We're gonna follow you this year, all right?